I'm just going to use maybe template number 8. So if I click on this link, it would give me a template format to use. So once I see this screen, I will scroll down to the bottom and I will see use template for new design. So I click on that. Oops, sorry. Okay, yep, there you go. So this is the resume template format that I've used from template number 8. And for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to change this resume template according to my own brand identity, which I've covered in the lesson here. So remember, I shared in the presentation, I've already decided on all these 4 colors, these 2 type of fonts, and the type of illustration I'm going to use. So right now I'm going to start the change. So going back to my resume template that I've used here, I'm going to start changing maybe the header. So if I click on this and I unlock this lock, it would show me some options right here at the top. So if I go to the top left corner, there is a color. Click on it. There is a set of color for me to choose from, but I'm going to use back the same brand color that I've covered in the lesson. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, just looking for the color code. What is the color code here? Okay, and this is the color. Let me just use the color beacon to check the color code. Okay, I have the color code here. So I'm going to Control C this, Control C, and then I'm going to copy this color code here. Go back to here. I'm going to key in my color code right here, paste. So once I have this color code being pasted in, it would have changed my header cover, as you can see. So I'm just going to use this one now. And also, I can do the same for the title as well. So if I click on this red, so I can change the header title as well. So for example, if I click on this red color right here, and I click on this, you will give me the color code right here. So again, I'm going to copy the color code. Okay, and I'm going to change this header title right here. So again, how you change the color is that you click on this, and at the top left corner, there is this text color. Under the text color, I can add a new color, and I'm going to paste the color code I want. So the great thing about Canva is that when you paste in a certain color, they actually allow you to change everything. That means say that once I set this color, I click on change all of the header title that I have right here will be changed to the red color that I'm using. So I click on this, change all, and you can see all of the header has been changed. And also the other colors like the date and the location as well. So that's great for me. And I'm going to also change this skill section right here. So for this, I'm just going to highlight this thing. And then I'm going to go to effects. So under the effects, there is I've already set it as a background color right here. And if you just see the bottom, there is also a color. Sorry, let me just exit away. Okay, and go back to this again. Okay, so in the background color, you can see that it's still in the turquoise blue previously. So I'm going to click on this, and you can see that Canva has already saved my color. So the nice thing about Canva is that when you use the color regularly, the system will automatically save the color for you. So I can just click on this and it changes the color for me. So I don't have to paste in the color code again. So I'm going to do the same for this as well. Highlight this thing, go to effects, scroll down, and then there's a color. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on the red color, change. So now I've already changed the resume to my brand color. I could also change the icon as well. So you can see this icon here is still in the blue. I'm just going to click on this and color, and I'm going to change it to black. Or I can change it to this blue that I've been using. And again, he will offer you to change all. So I'm just going to change all. And you can see everything has been changed according to the dark blue color that I'm using. And maybe I'm going to change the icon background as well. So maybe I can click on this. Okay, and I will click on the red one. So it becomes something like that. And I could flip this color over. So instead of this dark blue, maybe I could change it to white color, and then it would look something like that. So now my resume starts to get a little bit more interesting because I have my own brand color being set right here. And then same thing, I'm going to change this to white. Okay, and for the email, I'm going to change it to just red. I can also change the font as well. So if you just go to this resume template, I can click on this my header title right here. And at the top left, there is this font option. And according to my own brand guideline that I've set for myself, I'm using Montserrat Bold and regular. So if I go back to here, I see that there is already this font right here that I've searched because I've searched using this search button. So I'm going to click on this, and you will offer to change all, which is what Canva offers. So likewise, the same like for all the colors. When you want to change this, to a certain font, Canva will also offer you to change everything to your font. So I'm going to click on change all, and you can see that the entire page has been changed to the font that I want to use. So this is what I have for my font. But you can also see that based on what I'm seeing here, the font seems a bit hard to read because it's very thin. You can see it's quite thin from far. So you can also use the bold function to make it maybe slightly easier to read. So let's say, for example, maybe for this section, I'm gonna click on the font, and if you click on this arrow right here, they will give you a list of options from thin, extra light, all the way to extra bold and black. So I'm just gonna change all this regular to medium, so that is slightly easier to read compared to what we have previously. So I will manually change everything to the medium style so that it's easier to read. And this is what I have for the font. Secondly, the last thing that you can add is to add your profile picture, which is the same as what we are going to be using for our LinkedIn as well. So a professional profile picture. And I'm just gonna, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to use a fake photo just to demonstrate to you how I'm gonna add in the profile picture. So in Canva, you just have to go to the left side corner, which is elements. Okay, let me click on this again. Sorry. Okay, there you go. And I'm just gonna search for maybe some professional person photos. Just gonna use a very simple one. Okay, is there a free photo like maybe this guy? Seems okay. So once you have the photo, you just have to click this and drag into the circle, and it would automatically be inserted into this circle frame. But of course, you can see that it's a little bit off, so I'm just gonna double click this. Okay, then I can resize it, shift it according to how I want it to be. So maybe I'm just gonna shift this, focus on the face, and I'm gonna click on that, and there you go. I have my profile picture in as well. So this is how you set up your own resume format and also structure it. So I will see you in the next lesson on how to draft your perfect resume.